let's talk trackpad skills. So I'm on my Mac here and we're going to look at how we can use the trackpad for increased productivity. So the first thing I'm going to show you is what you guys do wrong. Most of you will use one finger to select an object. So let's select that, and then you'll use the click and press to actually try and move things around. This is not the most efficient way to do things. Let's try and align this object using the click and press to the center of the grid here. I'm going to try and organize it, and it's not easy. In fact, I'm going to give up. It's frustrating. Let's see if I can't use the turn function here. I'm going to click and turn, but I can't really make it go. It keeps wanting to tip back the way I want it to. I'm struggling with it. So how do we make it better? What we do is we use two fingers. We use our index finger here on my left hand to click and hold and press. So I'm going to click and press. So let's just click off this. The first thing you need to do is you need to select. So swipe, use the select with your left finger, select, and then press and hold. And now using my right index finger, I can now move this object really smoothly around the screen. It's still selected. I'm not having to exert any pressure or use everything in one hand. So I want to align this in the center. I can find the center line horizontally. I can find the center line vertically. And I'm just going to, there we go, I'm now centered. Let's click, and I let go when I'm happy with that. Let's click off of that. Let's click on the, again, to select, and let's use the turn function. I'm going to click and press. This finger's pressing and holding down, and now I can turn. I can see I can go in gradual increments to turn this. So using the click, two finger click and move option, so click with the left, move with the right option, is a really quick way to make sure that you get the productivity that you need with your device. Number two, let's look at the two finger tap to access the right click menu. I'm going to select this object here, select with my thing. Now two finger tap on the trackpad just allows us to go tap, and the right click option turns up. You can do this on any object. Let's look on the background. I'm going to select the background, and now I'm going to two finger tap, and we get a different right click menu. So those are two really important productivity skills for you to learn.